Hi, we are Team 15 and we make Discord bot slash Twitch bot, but we are focused on Discord bot. Okay, good
Super.
intro. Let's run the help command and let's go through everything.
Right, so the clear is where it deletes certain amount of messages that is given by the user. So yeah, if you do help clear, and then it will show the list of things like the command syntax, and then the example and the description of clear. So just type some random messages and then do slash clear. The amount to clear, let's say 3, and then it'll just clear the previous
Including
messages.
the help
Yeah,
command. I mean, including the clear command.
yeah.
Next one, feedback.
All right. Feedback.
Basically, the feedback command is used to obtain feedback from our beta testers, and it gives them a way to communicate with the developers on their suggestions on how to make the bot better. It just sends them a link to a questionnaire, and from there they can give their input.
Leaderboard. It's a way to see your stats out of the games. So every game gives you like points or makes you lose points, and it's just the points don't do anything at the moment, but it's just a nice way to see how many wins you have in like trivia or something, and how people are doing overall. So if someone's really bad at games or someone's really good, so this is the overall one.
Yeah, these points are all added together from all different games. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
So like here's like the trivia one.
Whoa. It counts
yeah.
the losses as well.
There's a dice one as well. There's one for
Oh.
yeah. We haven't.
We haven't.
Yeah, we changed the name of it. Uh, it used to be heads up.
Wins.
Yeah,
So yeah, as you can see in the brackets is how many points you've gained. So in charades, Liang has won 3 times and got 9 points off it.
yeah,
This will only show the top 10 as it says at the top already.
yeah.
And in the file, it will specifically say your stats.
Okay, well, the poll section allows you to make a custom poll with up to 10 reactions,
Mm-hmm.
and it's set for players in the chat to respond to. What sets it apart from the rest is that there's a timer and the options are customizable. So in most cases, usual polls have a yes or no response with one question, and in this case, this one has customizable features like type in the command now. So it sends off an embed where people can react, and then it calculates which one is the most reacted to, and then it should provide a summary of the vote result.
For prefix, you pretty much just you're able to change the prefix. You'll be able to change the prefix based on what you give. You could change the prefix to whatever you want, pretty much. For example, J dot, and then we have to use J dot in front of our commands, pretty much. When you ping the bot, you'll be able to see the server prefix.
Help time zone. So it basically sets up a time zone for the user who types the message with a time in it, and also sets up a time for whoever wants the time zone to assign for themselves. But we made it in a way that the bot is could kind of just read you from a comment or whatever message it is, and it should DM whoever has a time zone set. It's there. You can set time zone. Party at my place, 12 p.m. a.m.
It also
Oh,
detects the previous reaction, and then it deletes the old reaction when a new time is mentioned. It's just something that we added at the end.
Oh,
So like if I put 1 p.m. right now, and then
it takes off the
If I
last
put
one.
2 p.m., then the old one will be deleted, and then it will add a new one. It's basically a game where you just try to describe the word. The sender of the challenge or the game have to describe the word to the other people that is playing. So there's a little timer here, and then when that is over, the game will start, and then the sender of the game would get a message from the bot letting you know that the word that you have to describe. I can't really say the word, but yeah, I had to. But yeah, they have to guess, and then I have to describe it. And if I mention the word, you will get a error saying that no one wins because obviously
You
you
ended
cheated.
it.
But yeah, if I start it again, and then when I get the word, I'll just send it to them so they know the word so they can guess it, just to show the winning part of the game. All right, the word is. Hold on, I'll send it to.
Agriculture.
Yeah, I'll just send it to you. Yeah,
No.
for example, if you guess the word right, then then it will just show that he's won, pretty much. Obviously, if there is not enough players, then the game will be cancelled. Yeah, if no one clicks on the tick, then the game will be cancelled after a certain amount of time.
Is
That
it
is,
2
yeah,
players the minimum to start a game?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. As you can see, the game is cancelled because not enough player has joined, and there's a leaderboard for the game. But yeah, that's pretty much it. For dice, it's pretty much like a random number generator type of game. You just play against other players, pretty much. If I start one right now and I see 1 and 10, um, it'll start the game, and then you have to wait for other people to join the game. Yep. So Jelly has joined, which is Hamza. I've got a 9 and he's got an 8, so I won. And then there's also a timer for this. I think it was 20 seconds or something. I
15
think it was
seconds.
15. The game will expire in 15, or if you just click this X reaction, it will also cancel the game. You can't play against yourself as well. So if you try to play against yourself, you won't be able to do anything, pretty much.
Oh.
But yeah.
Okay, so the rock paper scissors game is a short single player game. The user can play against Jugo, so they just type RPS and they react with their choice, and then the bot shows the bot's choice, and then it shows the result. So in this case, it was a draw.
Trivia. The bot will ask questions, and the users will answer it. This has the feature of being able to play your own list. For now, I'll just show it without the custom bit. So as of now, here are the current lists that we've added. Copy is when this bot is added to a new server, they don't have any lists, it starts off empty. So to get your own, you either add your own custom one, or you can just steal it from here, the main server, or basically steal it from Jugo. So if you write trivia copy, it'll show all the lists we have, then trivia copy whatever you want, or copy it over.
Okay.
It would display a message if it is in a new server. It just doesn't display any at the moment because it's copying from this server to this server.
Start. Oh.
There's 908 questions, first to 3, and you got 10 seconds.
Oh god. Beep. Asda.
That's close.
Fun stuff.
You can stop the game whenever you want by simply doing trivia stop.
Ah, dang it.
My man.
It stops there, shows the players' correct answers, how many they got, and no one gets any points because the game's been cancelled. So the leaderboard wouldn't have changed.
I see.
I guess we go through like a full game. Which one you want to do?
Dang. I can guarantee I can't spell the names correct. I know them, but not their
Cassiopeia.
names. Let's go. How do you spell what you?
That's an accent, yeah.
What?
Wait, I saw it wrong. Wait.
No. Oh, I can't. I can't type.
Man. We all know this
Oh,
one. Jesus.
tree. Damn it.
Yes, I've been.
So as you can see, I won, and you
How
can
the
see everyone
hell?
else's score.
Oh god.
You got 0.
That's not fair. How? That's 0.5 seconds you're done.
Jen using macros. Report.
Report. That's not fair.
Yeah, now the leaderboard has been updated. If you play trivia on your own, which is possible, you won't get any points, and you're free to stop the game whenever. So you can even stop it here if you want, and it'll say the game's cancelled. Kind of going back to the trivia commands.
Uh-huh.
On the second page, this is all about making your own list. So if you do trivia add, it'll give you the instructions how it works. So I'm going to add a Monster Hunter one right now. I'll ask you to send a text file.
If you don't send a text file, it'll show up as an error, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will just say you won't be able to find one. Or if you send something else, it'll be like, it's not a text file.
Interesting.
So there, it got saved as mhw.txt, as that's what you called it in the, as I wrote trivia add mhw. You can also delete lists that you don't want. So I'm going to add a test text file just so I can delete it. So yeah, there's test. And now if we delete it, it shouldn't be there anymore.
Nice. Very nice.
There's also the download command. So if someone else made the list and you want to make your own like edits to it. So for instance, if you copy the list over from Jugo and you want to have a look inside to see like the format or something, you can do download, and it will just give you the text file straight up. And the final thing is the settings. You can change how many correct answers you need to win and how much time you have. So I could change it to be 5 correct answers now, or to be 15 seconds long per question to answer. And as I kind of just did just then, there's also the shorthands for each command. Trivia can be shorthanded to tree, and settings can be shorthanded to set. And that's everything I think to do with trivia.
Next,
Like,
the
I
simple
mean,
cat and memes.
I'll do
Cat.
them together because
Which Reddit did you snip it from? Oh, just our memes. Okay.
yeah, our memes in the hot section.
In the hot session. Dang. So there's fresh new every day, every hour, every second.
As long as it's updated over there, it's updated over here.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be updated for quite a while.
yeah, we mainly used purple default and red for errors, and yeah, we use default color for default, which is black pretty much, for expires, and then we use purple as our main embed color. Yeah, pretty much.